All right, so I just got my iPhone 12 in the mail, and I got to tell you, this phone looks amazing. Now, I got the base model 12. There are 4 different models out there. There's the 12 mini, the 12, the 12 Pro, and the 12 Pro Max. I got the blue color, which we're going to take a look at, and I also got the 64 gigabytes. Okay, anyways, here it is, guys. The one thing I do want to say is the box design on this iPhone is a lot thinner than any other iPhone I've ever gotten, so just wanted to point that out, and I do like the box design on it. It's very thin. It's very sleek, and just getting this wrapping off of it. Just bear with me here. But the box also, when you are like ready to open it, it like slides off. Like there's just, it's just so easy. It's literally a lift off and we're good to go. So no struggle there. But here's the blue color, guys. This phone currently comes in 5 different colors. I've gotten red in the past on a lot of the, iPhones I've gotten. So I wanted to kind of switch things up here, but you got your basic stuff in the box. Not going to waste a whole lot of time there, but color options for the 12, you've got black, white, red, green, and blue. So you've got 5 different color options. Compared to the iPhone 11, they had 6. They had black, green, yellow, purple, red, and white. So I'm going to turn this thing on in just a second. I do have the iPhone 11 right next to me, so I kind of wanted to line it up to just kind of like do a little comparison between the two. And I got to tell you, the phones do look similar for sure, but the 12, it's a lot lighter. It just feels more sleek. It's an all glass design too, aluminum frame and whatnot. But if you were holding the phone in your hand, both these, the iPhone 11 kind of feels like a brick, honestly, compared to holding this phone. It's very light. All right, turning it on is a little bit different. You kind of got to like hold the right side of the phone here. I think people have been struggling turning this on. It's a little bit different, but we're going to get it. Okay, there we go. So now I'm going to kind of like breeze through the setup screen real quick here. Now, when I have this thing loaded up, I am going to, test out some of the sound quality on it. We'll do a little video quality test to see how it looks. You can see that it's still got like a little bit of a notch at the top, so you still got to deal with that. I'm interested to see, when I compare this with the iPhone 11, how much of a difference the notch is as far as like watching videos and, playing games. All right, so just getting through here. Almost there. Setting the easy passcode here so anybody can break into this iPhone, you know what I'm saying? All right. And I got to say, I do like the color choice I went with. Red I've done so many different times, and, I just felt like blue was a good switch. So, I would recommend checking out the blue color. I think it looks really nice. Okay, setup screen. Almost there. It's crazy how much stuff they make you go through just to get to the home screen on these iPhones, man. It's ridiculous. I am going to switch up the wallpaper as soon as we get to the home screen, though. All right, so here it is, guys. The screen, looks very nice. Anytime you get a new iPhone, it just looks so fresh. There's not a lot of fingerprints on the iPhone, so, it's brand new. But yeah, let's switch up the wallpaper. I was hoping to go with something blue because we have a blue iPhone. So let me see if they got any cool, blue options. Looks like they do right there. All right, so we're going to go with this option right here. Oh, yeah, that's perfect. All right, so we got the blue on blue. That is what I'm talking about. Okay, so like I said, I want to check out, some of the sound quality on the phone. So I am going to load up, some YouTube here. I'm going to play a trailer on this new game. It looks really cool, by the way. Definitely recommend looking into this game. We're going to blast it, and then I'm going to do some Apple Arcade gameplay. I'm going to play some Sonic Racing, so we can check out some of the gaming on this phone, but let's check out the sound quality.
I'm taking you off the board.
Give it your best shot, soldier.
It'll be right between the eyes. Fight!
All right, so the sound quality on this phone is really good. Now I wanted to throw up some Apple Arcade on Sonic Racing, so we're going to check out some of the gameplay here. But as far as like the notch, it is very similar, it feels like, to using the iPhone 11, so not really bothering me at all. And, you know, the display on this phone looks really nice. You know, I'm excited to, you know, start using this phone for a bunch of games, but we'll see how Sonic Racing plays. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing on the iPhone 12. I'm very excited to do a bunch of different videos on the channel with it. As far as my first impressions, though, really like it. If you guys want to check this phone out or learn more about it, I'll have some resource links in both the description and comments of this video. If you could smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching it, and we'll see you in the next one.